In one of our previous session, we discussed about the slicing operation. That is to get the required objects by removing duplicates with the help of distinct method. Then by skipping few of the objects with skip method. Then by considering the required number of objects by using limit method. So then in today's session, we'll discuss about the matching operations. What's the meaning of matching operations? If I take any of the scenario like employee scenario, so do we have a so and so employee with employee name, say James? Yeah. So do we have the employees who are working at a location, say Bangalore? So if yes, then get the result as true. If no, then they return the value as false. That's what is matching means, to find out the required object or object with some data is present or not. Then to perform these matching operations, streams have provided the three methods. Like any match is method one. The next none match, and then all match. None match and also all match are these three methods which are used to perform the matching operations. So when it comes to matching operations, say for example, if so and so employee with name James is present or not, then what is the general answer that we give? It's either yes or no, correct? Then similarly, so the result is a Boolean type. When return type is a Boolean, we are aware of that what's the input, which is support to give a Boolean result, which is a predicate. Then see here, all match also will take a predicate, then which returns Boolean. All are from so and so location Bangalore. The next, all are from so and so country. No one from or all are from. So that's what none match and also all match, which takes predicate and which returns Boolean as well here in this scenario also. Then when returned is a Boolean, then the input is predicate always. These are three methods. Any match to find out anyone from the collection of objects after streaming. And all match is all are from the collection after streaming. Then none match is there no one from the collection after streaming. If yes, we are going to get true. If no, we are going to get the false results. Yeah, so to understand this, let's go for one example here. So if I have some data, so I'll take some data from one of my previous notes. Okay, so let me use this one. This is just one of the collection. So where I'm using this previous collection example. So we go for creating a class, say public class, some class name, say cricketer, just for fun. And inside this class, I'm adding these objects. No, not inside this class. So first, if I consider any class, say test class, then this class name, where we have another class called cricketer, and to that class we are creating the objects, and we are creating a collection of the players. Then once it is done, then we can go for, just a second. So that from this collection, so we can use this all match, none match, and any match. So for that, first let me consider the main method, say public. The next static void main method. So then inside the main method, I'm writing this syntax of say string array aux, and then for the starting of this array, main method, then ending of the main method. Then inside this we have the objects, and let's go for running this or using these methods. Like first requirement is find any player with name. So any match a player with name, say Dravid. So we have a collection. So from that collection, do we have a player with so and so name? Yes or no? So we want the result as yes or no. Then in that scenario, what is the collection name here? So cricketers, as you can see that the collection name is cricketers here. Then dot, first we have to stream it by using stream method. Once we stream the data, then to search the name or to find out the name, what we supposed to use? Here we have to use any match. Any match will take a predicate. What's the predicate? Say C for cricketer, lambda expression. Then from this cricketers, then dot, we have to go for getters called as get name method. Because what are the fields of this object? ID, name, and country. So I'm getting the name of the player, then that name with comparison dot equals and preferably ignore case equals ignore case. Then what's the value to be compared? Dravid. Yes, then that's all. Because it's not a new stream of data, this is the end of the statement which returns what type of value? Boolean, means either yes or no, right? So any match is my variable name. Then in this scenario, if we try to search for the name of the player whose name is Dravid, yes or no? Yes, it is there. Therefore, we supposed to get the output as true if you go for this printing. System.out.println of printing this any match variable. So is there any player? If yes, true. If no, false. As we can see the data, we are going to get this as true only. This is one example to understand any match. So I'll take the same thing to execute to show the results finally. So here, what's our expert output? True. The next, we can go for one more example of all match. Check all the players from country India. It can be or it cannot be, right? All match, all of them belongs to so and so. Yes or no? If that is a requirement, then what are we supposed to do? Go for collection first, then collection dot. To stream it, use a stream method. Once we stream it, then we can go for all match because we have to just search for everything. So in this all match scenario, it takes predicate, then C for any cricketer, then lambda expression C dot get country. And once we get this country, then dot equals to compare, but ignore the case. And which country? As per the requirement, I'm just using is India. Then in this scenario, there can be all of them from the same, or there can be a different. If all of them are from the same, then we are going to get the expert result as which one? True, right? So we are going to get the result as true. If not, we are going to get the result as false. So I'm storing into some variable. The variable name, I'll go for all match. And again, if you print it, we're supposed to get the output as per the expectation. So as we could see the data, there, all are not from the India. Then we are expecting false is output for this. That's the example of all match. If yes, everybody from the same, then we are going to get true. If anyone is different, then we are going to get false. The next step. None match scenario. What's meaning of none match? So here, is there no one from China? What's your answer? Just see the data and tell me, is there no one from China? My question is there no one from China? Your answer should be yes. My question is there anyone from China? No. Right? So that's how this none match behaves. Like it depends on the way we ask, the way we expect, right? That is again the collection name dot. Then first we have to stream it. And after streaming dot none match We'll take a predicate. So again, C for any reference of the cricketer, then C dot, then get country. And here I would like to check it. Is there anyone from China? So, but no one matching from China. Country dot, then compare by equals ignore case, then the name of the countries. So and so name. So in this scenario, what output that we expect? No one from China is the question that we are asking. Then what's the answer? Yes. Right? So first let me store this result into a boolean. A none match is my variable name, and we have to print the same variable name to see the output. The none match, no one is matching of this value. Correct or not? Yes. Yes means true. That's a example of each method, that is any match, all match, none match. Okay. So let's cross verify by executing this program through the IDE. So for that, I'd like to copy this entire code and let's cross verify our outputs are correct or not. But before that, what we're supposed to do? We have to create one model class of cricketer, right? Let's do that first. I'm back to this IDE. So inside this Java 8, I choose the package, and inside the package, we go for writing the code. I'm creating a new class name test I'll give, and this is the test class code that I already copied. I'll paste the code here. Of course, we are going to get the error because there is no class called as cricketer is available. So we can't create the object now. First, I'm adding the required imports, then only this error is there. So to avoid that error within the same class, first I'm creating one class called as cricketer, then followed by consider the required variables, say private int id of the cricketer, then followed by private string name of the cricketer, the next private string country of the cricketer. So if these are three variables, then let's go for generating the getters and setters. So once we generate it, then we have the corresponding getters and setters for all these three variables which we are using. And there is one more thing is required because constructor with parameters, the objects are created, then generate a constructor. Now there won't be any errors in this code. Once again, let me save the code. So within the same package, still of just a second. So in this line of code, get name spelling is wrong. Get name spelling is wrong. That's all. So get name is followed by equals ignore case, spelling mistake. So all these places have typed wrong. Equals case. Then similarly, the same method name I'm supposed to use everywhere. And the same method name I'm supposed to use everywhere. Now let me save it once. There are no errors in this test class code now. So then let's check the program by running this. Right click, run the Java application. So we are having three different matching operations. One is any match, player name, so and so. Yes or no? Yes. No. And the next, all match, all are from same country? No. Then is there anyone from China? Is there no one from China? Yes. Anyone from China? No. That's all. The matching operation methods. Any match, all match, none match. So it is the output. Hope I'm clear. Then this can be used for various scenarios, depends on employees, products, bank scenario, any other database scenarios to fetch the data into your Java program, then apply these match-based operations to find out the results.